DFA and NFA for regular expression, 00 plus 11 and 0 plus 1 whole star. So how we start with? We start with the initial state Q0 and we make a transition for Q0 to Q1 as 0 and Q1 to Q2 as 0, and we make a transition for Q0 to Q3 as 1 and Q3 to Q2 as 1. So we will get 0 0 or 1 1. So from Q0 there is a transition for 0 and for 1. For Q1 there is a transition for 0, and for 1 if we make a transition then it will go to the dead state. Why? Because if we put 1 here 0, and for 1 if we put 1 here then it will break the condition, that's why it will go to the dead state. And in the same way from Q0 0 1, from Q1 0 1, from Q3 1, and if we give 0 then it will go to the dead state. And because after that 0 plus 1 whole star, so after 0 0 or 1 1 it can be any combination, so we will make it as a final state and we put 0 comma 1 because it can be any combination of 0 1. So this is the DFA in which we are showing the dead state. But if we make NFA, then what we will do, Q0 Q1 Q2 0 Q3 1 1, and this will be the final state, and 0 1. All will remain same, only dead state will not be here. So here in DFA how many states? 5, and in NFA how many states? 4. And DFA and NFA for just opposite, 0 plus 1 whole star, 0 0 plus 1 1. How we will make it? How we will make it? And start with the initial state Q0 and we'll go to the Q1 Q2 0 0 and Q3 1 Q4 1. So 0 0 1 1, and now we will see the rest transition where they will go from Q0 0, from Q0 1, for Q1 0 and for Q1 1, for Q3 1 and for Q3 0 will go here, and for Q4 1 and for Q4 0 will go here, and for Q2 0 and for Q2 1 will go here. So these two will be the final state, either 0 0 or 1 1, and here any combination can be possible for 0 0 or 1 1. As we can see, if we either it will run or it will not run. If it will run and 0 then 0 0, and if it will run 1 then 1 1 1. In any way we will get all the combination from this. So this is the DFA. And if we make NFA, then how we will make it? NFA will be very small, very small. Suppose Q0 and Q1 and Q2 0 0 and Q3 1 1. And because it is NFA, so more than one time transition can be possible of 0 1 because alphabet is 0 1. So we can make a loop of 0 1. So this will be the NFA, this will be the final state. So this is the NFA in which we can make a transition of 0 1 more than one times. That's why we put a loop of 0 1 at Q0, although there is a transition for 0 and 1 from Q0. This is the condition, and this is the difference between DFA and NFA. And DFA we cannot make more than one time any transition from one state, but in NFA we can make more than one time any transition. That's why this is called NFA and this is called DFA. So this is the NFA for 0 plus 1 whole star 0 0 plus 1 1. 0 0 1 1 we will reach on the same state or final state, and initially it can be anything. That's why we put loop of 0 1.